Hey guys, how's it going? Today I just wanted to do a quick comparison video of the two supercharger systems on my two cars over here, my 1989 Ford Thunderbird and my 2010 Ford Shelby GT500. Now they both have positive displacement blower systems, but they both do it very differently. Let's check them out. So the Thunderbird has an Eaton M90 supercharger, which is about 1.5 liters. So the way that this one works is it takes air from the inlet, goes into the supercharger, gets compressed, comes out into an air-to-air intercooler, and back into the motor. And on the Shelby, it originally came with a 2.1 liter Eaton supercharger, which is 122 cubic inches, but now it has a Whipple 3.4 liter, which is 210 cubic inches. It's almost the same size as the motor on the Thunderbird. But anyways, it draws air into the supercharger, it gets compressed, it goes into a water to air intercooler system. So the air goes through an intercooler brick in the intake manifold, and it gets cooled by a heat exchanger in the front bumper. Then the air goes into the motor. So it's a lot different system. So as you can see guys, the blower systems are quite different despite both being positive displacement blowers. But I think this was the first positive displacement blower put on a Ford. I know they had supercharger systems earlier on, like in the 60s. I think the Mustangs came with the blower. I think there's one in the 50s too, but I'm pretty sure this is the first positive displacement Ford product. If I'm wrong, let me know. And maybe let me know which one was before it. But it sure has come a long way. And this one's system looks a lot cleaner. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.